Okay, we've gone over the three basic things that we need to know from grade 10, midpoint formula, gradient, distance formula. Now we're going to look at something called how to find the equation of a line that passes through 2 points. Well, we had this question before. We found the gradient between 1 and 4 and 6 and 7. Well, what if we were asked to find the equation of the line that passes through these 2 points? Well, if we were asked that question first, we would have to find the gradient. To figure out the equation of the line, the first thing you have to do is find the gradient. So we'd do that. We'd subtract the two y values, we'd subtract the two x values, and we'd make a fraction. And like we did in the last video, we got that the gradient is 3 over 5. Well, now there is a special gradient point formula. If you've got 1 point and a gradient, you can just write down the equation of the line. And you use it a lot in many questions in the matric exams. So let's take a look at this. Here it is, the point gradient formula. Well, the gradient's 3 over 5. So instead of m, we put 3 over 5. Now the point, we could pick 6 or 7 and we'll get the same answer. The y value is 4, so that's why we write y minus 4. The y coordinate is 4, and the x coordinate is 1. Well, when we substitute in the gradient and that 1 point, x1 and y1, we've just written down the equation of the line. Now all we have to do is just put it in the form of mx plus c, That's usually in the form y equals. Well, we just multiply it out. 3 over 5 times x is 3 over 5x. 3 over 5 times minus 1 is minus 3 over 5. Then we add 4 to both sides. Hey, we're just about there. You can put this in your calculator, minus 3 over 5 plus 20 over 5, and you'll get 17 over 5. If you add 4, actually, in your calculator, you'll get 17 over 5. If you know fractions, you know that 4 is 20 over 5, and 20 minus 3 is 17. Well, that's the equation of a line passing through points. And you want to look at this real carefully. And just remember, first you find the gradient, then you take a point and you substitute it into this formula. Whenever they say equation of the line, write down y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And substitute in that point and substitute in that gradient. And that's how you do it. Okay.